Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. And today, all right, I made enough markup videos, but now that the Nissan Proto have hit the dealerships, they are here and they are high. Guys, hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome everybody back. Welcome everybody back to the channel. So if you're part of the Boost in Motion family, that means you guys have already hit the like button. Much love, and I appreciate you guys for your support. And if you are new to the Boost in Motion channel, please watch this video and watch some other videos. And if you enjoy this channel, definitely hit the bell notification. Well, damn, I gotta say you hit the subscribe button, then the bell notification, and then all. Thank you guys, and I appreciate it. But anyway, guys, let's go. Let's jump into it. It's not gonna be a quick, long video, but honestly, what I think dealerships are doing right now is a complete ripoff. But I'm gonna give you guys my commentary. So quickly, this is a dealer sticker. It shows the VIN. It shows a Nissan Z Proto. This is the yellow one, right? Because we already made a video talking about the first models that are coming out, and the first models are the Nissan Proto. And only specific dealerships will get the Nissan Proto based on their cell numbers. They want the Nissan Proto only at the dealerships that sold the most old last model Zs, period. Anyways, so you can see that the MSRP here, right, is $54,915. But you'll also get the Nissan Protection Pack, which will have door edge guards, door handle cut protection, luxe interior, exterior protectant, and lifetime car washes. That will be an additional $1,100, $1,200. But the adjusted market value, what does that even mean? That is an additional amount of money that this dealership is charging you on top of the listed two prices, which gives you the seller's asking price of $130,000, guys. $130,000 for a Nissan Z. So most people today, because this video was made because we just got wind of this, everybody's losing their mind about it. And to be quite honest with you, Nissan people ain't rich. We aren't rich like that. This is supposed to be an affordable sports sedan in a modern age. I'm a sports coupe. And the average person can't get this. And everyone has the right to be upset with all the speculation all the time and talk and everything, especially with the Super versus Nissan Z thing. People want to get this stuff. They have anxiety. They want this car. There's a loyal following on Facebook groups, 15, 20,000 people who are waiting this car that may want to get rid of their Super or any other coupe, but they can't even get to purchase this car. It's literally double the price, almost 3 times the price of just a regular performance edition. It is double because it's a regular performance, non-perform, not even performance, sport. The sport one is only $40,000. It's 3 times that amount. Who can afford this? Who can? But on the other side of this, right? Why you guys really shouldn't be mad. And I'm gonna say a couple of things. Number one, the Nissan Z Proto is a specialty one. And what I mean specialty is this. There's only 240 made. So because it's a limited edition thing, you got to understand this stuff exists. Look at what happened to the Corvette C8. Even when the Super first dropped, or the GT500s, there was market adjustments on all of those high-end cars, right? But not so much the Supra. But why is this one different? Why is this one getting you guys so upset? Because an $80,000 car with a $20,000 market adjustment, if you got 80,000, 90,000, you can do it. You know, I've been looking at BMW G80s. They still want 15, 20K over sticker. And I'm like, I might be able to afford it, but no, I'm good. I'll wait for that market adjustment to change up because those cars have always sold for retail or less, you know? But nonetheless, a Nissan Z, 3 times the price, Absolutely not. But I understand the 240 thing. It's a limited edition. Two, some people say this is illegal. It really isn't, because the dealerships run different than the Nissan brand themselves. They're thinking about them as like an independent contract or a franchise. They use the Nissan name. They sell their companies. They service the vehicles, but the brand, the manufacturer, does not have control on necessarily what that dealership does. They operate independently. So is it illegal? No. This is why different dealerships can do this. But as some people have stated, right? Well, this isn't fair. Why can't manufacturers have direct control of it? We should move into that type of day and age. Think about it. Tesla sells their cars directly to you. There's no like there's not a company of Tesla and then they have independent dealerships. No, they are run by Tesla manufacturing company. So what you buy is what you see is what you pay. And it's kind of like the idea also with the idea of this shady type of salesmanship. I have a lot of salesmen that follow my channel, right? I have a lot of respect to you guys, and I understand it. And I've worked on the motor world, and I understand what happens there, right? But even then, look at a company such as CarMax. The price is the price. There's no haggling. There's no ups and downs. This is the price of what we're selling this for. That's it. And this is the finance and options. And the USA's typical market for purchasing vehicles is very predatory. The fact that you can add 70, 40, $74,000 on top of a $55,000 car and say, ha ha ha, capitalism. If you can get it, if you got it, you can get it. And I actually love the free market. I love that capitalism exists. I am more of on the capitalist side. But even then, in some instances like this, I say to myself, all right, what are we really bullshitting here? What are we doing now, right? So, nonetheless, I see that people want this thing to change, and there's actually uh bills being promoted sent out in the government where they're going to change up a lot of the stuff that we don't get to really know about. All of this hidden fees and stuff will be more transparent. I don't know if I'll make a video about it, but nonetheless, they're going to change up a lot of how these dealerships do business in the next couple years. Hopefully a lot of these bills get passed, but nonetheless, $74,000. That's my little rant. But anyway, there's more. Some people have been reading in the comments, and they said the reason why dealerships do these things is because the car becomes an eyepiece. Remember, the Nissan GTR was a dope car, so it brung people in to take a look at it. They can't afford it, but they'll end up getting like a 350Z or a 370Z or any other car or vehicle. It just brings foot traffic. And the Nissan sees a very anticipated car. So even whenever the dealership gets one by me, I'm gonna go check it out. I've seen plenty of cars in the windows at other dealerships, but I'm gonna go check out the Nissan Z in whenever it gets into the dealership. And I'm gonna look at it and I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna try my best to sit in it. And I might buy it. I might buy it if it's available, but not for $74,000 over MSRP. I really thought that maybe the Nissan Proto would be like 20 to 30K above sticker. Maybe some people do that. And I would get it because I'm gonna add another part here. I guess there's a capitalist side of me that understands it this way. If this car is $54,000, right? You would go buy that car, put $54,000 and pay what? What is that? About good credit, like $800, $900 a month if you want to finance it. But somebody with money will say, hey, or with more money will says, hey, I'll give you $65,000 for your car because it's a 1 out of 240. So they're gonna want to buy it, and they'll pay the 5-10K over because it's something exclusive. So now you sell it. And then somebody goes to him, hey, I'll give you 80. The free market dictates what people are willing to pay. People are willing to pay 55, but people are not willing to pay 130. There's a number there, and until they hit that number, it is what it is. But anyways, let me bring this rant to an end. I really do wish that manufacturers could get more involved in these type of things because it is frustrating and it does deter, like it does. Let me take myself out. It does make me just freaking frustrated as a person that would like to purchase the vehicle. and get involved with it. And anyone else who's been waiting for so long, they have no access. And even if you make it 30K above and make the car $85,000, the average person can't afford it. And it's an upsetting thing. It's honestly upsetting thing. And what I've been seeing in the comments is this: I'm not gonna really spend over MSRP when I could just go get a Toyota Supra for $50,000. You can still go get that car and it performs just as good. We know it will, and that car is more of a luxurious car, So I get it. I just honestly get it. But outside of that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for banging with your boy Boost. Just want to give you some of my commentary about it. I really just wish Nissan would get more involved and figure this stuff out, because it really makes their consumer base. Well, Nissan didn't do it, but these dealerships make their consumer base really get distasteful about them. And this is why people don't run back and go get some of their vehicles, because things like this, where I can hop in your Nissan Z and get my wife the Nissan Rogue and get my son a Nissan Sentra, where I keep it in the family. This is where this stuff starts at, But anyways, guys, hit me up at boostinmotion IG, Facebook, and boostinmotion@gmail.com. Otherwise than that, guys, you already know what to do. I appreciate you. Hopefully hit that like button. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost in Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.